today I'm going to show you how to create this little rocket ship here that you can actually launch. So to begin with, you'll lay out all your materials. You're also going to need a pair of scissors and some tape or glue. Tape is faster. With glue, you'd have to wait at several different points. And then some markers, maybe a pencil if you like to sketch. I'm going to go ahead and fold this lengthwise. And then I'm going to go ahead and draw kind of a rectangle, big rectangle coming all the way down. Doesn't have to be perfect. And if you do it with a pencil first, that might be helpful. I'm doing it with a marker so that you can see better. And then you want to have the tip of your rocket. I'm going to come down here because I went a little too far. And then I think it looks nice if you have kind of the fins here in the bottom half. Okay, and once you have it like that, you're going to go ahead and take your scissors and you'll cut this out. So I went ahead and cut one out earlier. And so if you open it up now, this is going to be the outside. And so I might go ahead and take a marker and just put some lines across to make it interesting. I'll do that. You're down at the bottom. Put a blue stripe down here. Or maybe you want to have an astronaut or possibly an alien, if it's an alien rocket, peering out the little window there. But you can decorate it however you think it looks good. And then this next part, we're going to turn it back over to the line side. And there's a little bit of tissue paper here. And I only want it as wide as the bottom of the bucket. So I'm going to go ahead and trim that up a tiny bit. Yep. And then I'm going to just go ahead and fringe it. And I do that just by cutting up. You just have to be careful. Cutting it up a little bit so it moves. That'll look kind of interesting when the rocket ship is launched. Kind of look like fire coming out of the engine there. And then I need a little piece of tape to tape that on. And then this next part, you're going to take the eyedropper and go ahead and cut off the tip. You won't need that. And then we're going to put this right here and tape that down. I think it's a little easier if you tape the skinny end first. Don't cover up the hole here, but tape it down and tape it again up here. Okay, and then what's going to happen, you'll be closing it up in a minute, but just so that you can see what it'll look like on the inside, you'll bend your straw. And then this will slide up right inside and you'll be able to blow through the straw and launch your rocket. So when you close it up and tape the sides, it looks like this. And I find that it's easiest to get the straw in then if you turn it sideways and just kind of squeeze it a little bit so that you can see where the, sorry, move my hand so you can see where the eyedropper is. I think our little, see if I can show you there, but you can see the eyedropper. And the straw goes right in there, and then you have your rocket ship. You're going to put the straw in your mouth and blow. Make sure it's not pointing at a person, but you can set up some targets to see if you can hit them with your rocket ship. You can see how high it goes. Maybe you want to try adding extra fins to make it more three-dimensional. Really play with the engineering and see what you might come up with. But happy launching.